Hey guys, welcome back to Maxim Automation. Today I'm going to discuss about optional character in SpecFlow step. What is optional character and how we can utilize that in our step definition. So let's take an example that I have a scenario where I first need to log into application. So I'm writing a keyword given I am logged in to application. And then when I add book and after that and I go to checkout page. After adding a book, I want to go to checkout page. And at checkout page, I want to verify the count of books which I have added into the cart. So I have to create a step to validate my scenario. And I can write like, then I have one book in cart. So these are the different test steps of my test scenario which I need to perform. So first I need to define these steps in my step definition class. To generate these steps, I can choose define steps. And then I can click on create to create a step definition class for these steps. So step definition has been created for all these steps. Now let's say if I again need to add another book and then I have to verify the count. In that case, I can write like this. When I add book, which will add another book for me, and I go to checkout page. Now the count of book is 2 instead of 1. So when I write my step, then I have 2 book in cart. So here the count is updated to 2 instead of 1. So this statement won't look good in terms of plain English language because the book count is more than 1. So the step should contain books instead of book. And if I add extra s over here, then this step won't match with the step definition which I have earlier created. So to handle these kinds of situation, we don't need to write extra step definition. We can handle both the cases by using the optional character in step definition. So to handle this, let's go back to the step definition class. Here is my step definition. For this step, I have book in cart. So as this step might contain extra s in book, so I can make this s as an optional by adding a question mark after the s character. To make a character as an optional, you just need to add question mark after the character. Now, if I go to my feature file, here you can see that now both these steps finds their match step definition. And if I do F12 or I go to step definition, then it brings me to the same step definition for both these steps, which is having extra s in book and the other one which don't have extra s in book. So this is how you can use optional character in your step definition. I hope you have liked it. Please try it by yourself and put your comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel.